are out here on the water. Haven't made a video for a while. Got the new boat here, as you can see. About to try it out.
First night bow fishing for most of us of the year. It's kind of late after the spawn. I didn't have time to go on the spawn, but hopefully we find a couple big ones. It's known for big fish on this lake, so hopefully we'll get a couple for you.
This is Levon. Most of you guys, well, I don't know, should know him from the Africa videos. And then Marky. Both very experienced bow fishers.
Is that a bow fisher over there?
We've done it enough to...
Yeah, there's somebody out there on the tournament, doing the tournament.
There's actually a tournament going on tonight. We thought about doing it, but we're like, oh, it's our first time.
Get it?
Oh, it's right there. See it. See it, see it right there? No. Ah.
You suck.
Powerful.
If you want to run a lot of video, is you can put a bobber light.
Another one.
Nice.
Where's the barrels? You gotta get the barrels off.
Oh, shoot.
I don't know if there's any way to remember where that is. That's a massive.
Where'd it go? Oh, yeah.
Hey, I swam off with my string.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's over here. My string just tore.
How?
Is your arrow gone?
Yeah.
Did it get in the motor?
No.
Not the motor shut off.
Go over this way.
It's probably because the bow is so freaking
It was
long.
swimming really slow. The one in the front is way bigger.
Oh, right beside it.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, this is bad. Normally not this bad.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Got one.
Nice.
Wow, it's insane.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. There it goes. There it goes.
Oh my goodness.
It's this reel. Just keeps cutting them.
See if we can get it.
That's a kill shot. Nice. Piece of shit reel.
I guess. Wow. So the reel literally is just breaking the string.
Yeah, it just cuts it.
Yeah, you can kind of hear it when you shoot.
Well, forget that bow, I guess.
Well, can I put my other reel on it? Because I can shoot better with that bow than I've shot with any bow.
Yeah, do it.
No.
Oh my goodness. Okay. When they're that big, it's like, how do you even keep them on?
Come up here, Marlon. It's in the front.
Oh my goodness. Huge fish, bro.
Need one of those hooks.
Yeah, we should get one of those too.
That's a 20 pounder.
Yeah.
Go, Mark.
It's still swimming.
Shoot it. Oh, there's
Oh, oh.
What did you hit? One on the...
No, that was you.
No, one with Ashton.
Oh, Ashton.
Dude, they're everywhere. Oh, there's another one over there. Did you get one? Oh.
Me? No, my stupid reel. This thing is so hard to figure out.
It sounded like something hit hard.
I'm like just reel, and it's not coming in.
Somebody got it.
Yeah.
Put that level across it and then put my letters out to the line and then move the level. And then traced all the letters out. Whatever. I'll get the one in the back.
Oh, dude. Right here, Sean. It's coming your way. Under the boat. Right.
Oh. Hey, did you get one?
Yeah, did you not video?
No, I was on this other one.
Dude, they're learning some for Indian chant.
Oh my goodness. Keep them coming, keep them coming. Which one? Which one?
They're everywhere.
Yeah, there's another one there.
Nice. I think I keep setting my drag the wrong way, I think.
Oh, you hit that thing. I thought that.
Right here, right here.
Yeah.
Nice shot, Mark.
Nice.
Look at this. Pulled off his air sack.
What is it?
It's air sack. Nice. I shot under, you shot over.
Unbelievable.
He's still big.
I think I shot under it.
Here's a big one right here,
Nice, Mark.
That was barely in.
You gonna get off?
Behind it.
That's deep.
Beside it. That is deep.
8 feet probably.
Way below it. Way beside it.
That one has a hook on its tail. Sorry.
I'm disappointed. I feel like this is like the perfect habitat.
Yeah, it is.
It was.
Nice!
That's a nice.
I got that on freaking video.
Ah, it came off.
Ah, shoot, of course.
I don't know. I must have been the
worst luck.
That's Marky.
No, it was too close to the edge. Like it ripped out. Oh, right. Over that shaft.
Sweet, I got that on video.
There was a big old cart back here.
Hey.
That I shot.
Oh, never mind.
You did better than
That's a big shad.
Heck yeah.
Tell me about that. I knocked myself.
Still chasing it.
Where is he?
right below us.
We went over it, I think.
I'll buy you a cheeseburger. Oh, right here. Right there.
How'd I miss that?
Right beside it.
Below it. Nice shot.
Nice.
Oh, got off.
Oh,
He's right there.
Marky, right there.
Ah, thought I had him.
Wow. You did get
No way.
This boat is like so stable. I think good. Yeah, I might. Hey, is that a huge shad? Or is that a bass? That's a carp.
Get it? Oh, you actually did. Yes. Who got it?
Dead. Nice.
What is that thing?
Oh, this thing's gonna bite me.
Oh, he's pretty deep.
Okay, you...
Where did I hit?
Right under it, I think. That rubber thing you had on the barrel?
Yeah, melted.
It did?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
No.
Sorry, Mark. No, it's not anymore.
I didn't realize I was tangled with you.
Kill it.
Way over it.
Is it over it?
Not even close.
My string is actually wet now. That's why I missed it. Oh, right under it.
Right over it.
Man, that's a pretty big one right there. How many fish you think we got in here, Lavon?
Not very many.
But it was, you know, we didn't get skunks.
Strap is literally
Pretty
No,
decent.
it was. There was 2 other bow fishers out here. There's actually a tournament going on tonight, and I think they were hitting all the spots, so
Yeah.
didn't help us any.
It was decent at first, but it dried up pretty quick with the other bow fishers. So, but
First
it was-
time out, a little rusty. All of us
Still-
were kind of rusty.
Well, I'm glad you guys could be here because me and Ashton probably wouldn't have got a thing by ourselves. So
Well, hey, you guys got
Mark
the
and
boat. It's pretty
Lavon
awesome.
saved the night. Yeah, we got the love the new boat. So looking.
Don't ever turn your barrels that direction. They will fly right out.
Oh yeah, who did that? Ashton. But yeah, looking forward to many more awesome bow fishing nights. Pumped. So yeah.